New Gen Education delivered, Saptagiri NPS University, Bangalore. Education is evolving rapidly, and Saptagiri NPS University, Bangalore, is at the forefront of this transformation. With a vision to redefine learning, the university introduces New Gen Education, a futuristic approach that blends technology, innovation, and industry-driven curriculum to prepare students for the ever-changing global landscape. Whether you aspire to be a leader in engineering, management, healthcare, or technology, Saptagiri NPS University ensures that you receive the best-in-class education tailored to modern industry demands. Revolutionizing learning with innovation and technology. At Saptagiri NPS University, students don't just learn, they experience education through AI-powered learning systems, virtual labs, and hands-on projects that bridge the gap between theory and practical application. The university integrates cutting-edge technology like augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, and data science into the curriculum, making learning interactive, immersive, and impactful. This approach equips students with 21st century skills, ensuring they stay ahead in competitive fields. Industry-ready curriculum and global exposure. Gone are the days of outdated syllabi. The New Gen Education model at Saptagiri NPS University is designed in collaboration with leading industry experts, multinational corporations, and global universities. Students get the opportunity to work on live projects, attend industry seminars, and participate in international exchange programs. This exposure not only enhances their technical knowledge but also nurtures essential soft skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and leadership, qualities highly valued by top recruiters worldwide. Dynamic campus life and holistic development. A thriving university experience goes beyond academics. At Saptagiri NPS University, Bangalore, students engage in entrepreneurial boot camps, innovation hubs, cultural festivals, and sports activities that foster creativity and teamwork. The campus is a hub of startup incubation centers, hackathons, and research opportunities, allowing students to turn ideas into reality. With a strong focus on mental well-being and personality development, the university ensures that students graduate as well-rounded professionals ready to take on the world. Join the future of learning today. If you're looking for an education that blends technology, innovation, and real-world exposure, Saptagiri NPS University is the place to be. Step into a new era of learning where passion meets profession and dreams turn into reality. Admissions are now open. Embrace the New Gen Education and be part of a revolutionary journey towards success.